There are times when you want to just shut the door and leave the outside world outside. That's the benefit of Raven door and window seals, a range of do-it-yourself products that provide effective barriers against weather, noise, smoke, drafts and insects. Raven are world leaders in the design and manufacture of door and window seals for both domestic and commercial applications, so you have the benefit of innovative design and ease of installation. And with energy costs rising, you can reduce the loss of heat in the winter, cooled air in the summer. The savings can be significant, sealing against leakage of precious heating and cooling. A win-win for the consumer and the planet. If you're in a bushfire-prone area, doors and windows that are effectively sealed will reduce the threat of ember attack. The Raven door and window seals feature an unequalled range of products from which you can choose the right ones for your home. One of the most simple and effective of these systems is the Raven Brush Strip Seal, a quality nylon brush seal that sweeps smoothly over hard floors. It's ideal for sliding and most internal doors. The Raven RP3 Automatic Weather Seal offers a combination of efficiency and simplicity that has earned an Australian Design Award. Only a few basic tools are needed to fit this unobtrusive and extremely effective system. Begin by measuring the distance between the doorstops. Then mark the appropriate measurement, less 3 mm for clearance on the latch side, and then cut with a hacksaw. Mark a line across the front of the door, 45 mm up and parallel to the sill. Position the top edge of the seal and the marked line hard against the hinge side. Lift the flap and secure with 4 screws at the top of the fixing slots. Finally, with the door in the closed position, screw this special cam into place on the opening doorstop. Once in position, Weather Seal eliminates drafts and insects, and the unique automatic action lifts Weather Seal clear of carpets. The Raven RP60 Automatic Door Seal is a simple, unobtrusive yet extremely effective weather and acoustic seal that lifts to clear carpet and seals tightly when the door closes. It's ideal for double doors. Fitting the RP60 takes only a few moments and requires only a few basic tools. Begin by measuring the distance between the doorstops. Take the special adjusting screw, that's the longest one in the pack, and locate it into the push rod at the end of the seal, which will be on the hinge side of the door. Screw it in flush with the end of the aluminium casing. Starting from this end, mark the width between the doorstops, less 2 mm, and cut the seal to the correct length with a hacksaw. With the door closed, position the seal level with the bottom of the door and hard against the doorstop on the hinged side. Then fix the seal into position using the fixing screws provided. Open the door and unscrew the adjusting screw a few turns. As the door is closed, the adjusting screw will press against the doorstop and activate the seal. Try the operation a couple of times until the screw is adjusted satisfactorily. All you have to do now is press home this cover strip to conceal the fixing screws. Whenever the door is open, the RP60 automatically lifts clear of carpets. And as the door shuts, the seal drops tight into place, forming an effective barrier to dust, drafts, insects and noise. For total protection, Raven's Stormproof Seal is the perfect answer. This professional quality door seal is guaranteed weatherproof, and it can be installed by anyone with basic do-it-yourself experience. With the door closed, mark a line 25 mm up from the door sill. Remove the door, then saw along the line to remove the unwanted area at the bottom of the door. Ensure that the tread plate is fitted to the full width between the door jambs and positioned on the door sill so that its highest groove is directly below the inside face of the door. Next, cut the sealing section to the same length, less 2 mm, to allow for clearance on the latch side. With the door closed, fit the sealing section to the inside of the door. screw into position and finally fit the cover strip. With a few minor variations, the Raven Storm Seal can be fitted to a wide variety of doors. But the outside world doesn't just come in under your door. It can also find its way around the sides, and window frames are just as vulnerable. Which is why Raven developed WeatherStrip. WeatherStrip is the simple answer to effective insulation against draft, insects, noise, and all the other things that you'd rather do without. It's self-adhesive, easy to install, and available in a range of sizes to suit all your needs. Raven ceiling systems are world-class products that will improve the comfort of your home. They're manufactured to international standards, and they've been recognised by Australian Design Awards. Keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Save energy in comfort. Cut energy costs. Conserve, sustain and save with Raven door and window seals. Raven products are available throughout Australia from hardware stores, home centres and variety stores. Raven. Simply the best for your home.